So we're gonna do another recap. I'm also cold again. Uh, it's freezing out here. It's freezing. I don't know why it's been freezing lately, but it's freezing. And then also we're rocking our Manchester City jersey, even though they lost yesterday. What was it, like 3-1? I think they lost. But yeah. Anyways, we did get a new funded account. We got another eval, because the other one that I was trading, it would expire on the 22nd, and today's the 20th, so in 2 days, and I was down a lot in profit. So what I'm gonna do now is I bought a new one with Tradeovate so that I can use it on TradingView, because I bought the real-time data and then also the replay mode and all of that. So yeah, we did not have news. Oh, and then also Killtech, they just dropped their well, they didn't drop it, but they had a password, and then I went in and then I just bought mine, because if you guys know me, I love jerseys, and this jersey is actually really nice. I really like it, and yeah, well, we'll see how it goes. Anyways, don't look at that. Anyways, so we have, coming into market open, we see that we were consolidating a lot, right? We were consolidating. You can see in the 1 hour we were consolidating, but on the 1 hour we were a little bit more bearish than bullish. Same thing on both of the indexes. You can see here, same thing happened. Yeah, a lot of consolidation in this range, all of this. But yeah, today was very weird. It was very weird. We had marked out the London highs, Asian highs, London lows, and then the Asian lows were already taken. And then same thing in here. We did have a high time frame SMT on NQ and ES. As you can see, this NQ took these highs, the London highs, and ES did not. So we had an SMT. I was thinking that we were bullish for this SMT. It was a bullish SMT because of NASDAQ. But then as soon as market opened, it just completely sold. Look at this. Look at this candle. There was no news or anything like that, but it was a 200-point candle. Holy shit. But that's on the 30-minute, but 200-point move. Yeah, so immediately we sold off. But first, when we were in market open, we were kind of, we went to these lows, the internal lows here. We went to these lows, and then price, there was a forever model entry that I did not see here. I think it was on the 6-minute. Nope, 4-minute. 5-minute. Yeah, sure. On the 5-minute, you can see we have this fair value gap here, and then after price sweeping these lows, it came all the way up there, and filled it in, and then short rejection off of that. We could have gotten in there, which is where most of the students from Justin got in. Stops right there, and then just targeting either London lows, or if you held, you would have made bank. But I did not take that because that is too risky for me. There's not really much confirmation except the fact that it just taps into the fair value gap, but that isn't really a lot of confirmation for me. That's not the way I trade. So yeah, after market open, we came down to these lows, came back here, and then started selling. We made this fair value gap. These candles are insane. Like, there was a 23-point move candle. Yeah, so we made this fair value gap, and I was waiting for price to come up here and tap it so I can then short off of it. So I can just short and target either these lows here or London lows. But price did not do that. It immediately came down, and then we came into the macro, and then took out all of these lows. All of these high liquidity and high time frame lows, until we came into this 4-hour fair value gap here. And yeah, we did that, and then we go into the 5-minute, and then we see that price after tapping into that 4-hour fair value gap. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I didn't see the 4-hour fair value gap until now, but I just noticed that price was changing the order flow direction to come up here to these 5 minute, nope, not that, to come up here to these 5 minute fair value gap to then keep on selling. Matter of fact, we can even take a short off of this if you guys came here or something like that, and then shorted here, and then just targeting lower stops right there, and then either targeting this level right here, and yeah, with take profits around here. But yeah, switched up a lot of stuff, and then on the 1 minute, I'm sorry, we created this BPR. If you guys don't know what BPR is, whenever there's two fair value gaps connected like that, so it's a stronger draw on price. Came down here, tapped into it, and I wasn't going in. I think one of my friends went in here, but I wasn't going in until we inversed this gap. So I was a little bit too early to the move, but if we weren't, we would have gotten a bad risk reward unless we did that. But we did not do that. We went in around here right when this candle closed. Actually, no, we went in like right about there. Hold on. Like right about there. And I was targeting these highs up here for a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. But yeah, since it was, I've never traded like this before, and this is a new eval, so I was playing it safe. So I trailed my stop until here, this level, and it just wicked me out completely. I first had my trailing stop loss here after moving into break even, and I should have left it there because I actually was targeting these. It's the middle of this fair value gap here, the middle of it right there, but I didn't do that. What do I have marked here? Hold on. Oh, it's this. Okay. So yeah, that was one mistake that I did today, is that I didn't wait until my setup. I should have just left it at break even and then just waited for that. As you can see, price did eventually come up and hit that target. It would have given us around like $1,000, I believe, because I risked $400. I risked one contract, one mini, and yeah, here we got a change in state of delivery. So that's when I moved my stops to break even. And yeah, we also got a sorry, it's right here, change in state of delivery, and I moved my stops to break even. Good. It was a good trade. Good trade. I'm not gonna lie. I was very patient today because a lot of people probably FOMO'd all of this move, and I don't know if they got stopped out or anything, but I didn't FOMO, so I'm doing very good at that because I was only looking for a really good high quality setup, and this was actually a really good high quality setup. For a fair value gap, tapped into it, and then it rejected off of it with the 5 minute candles, created a 1 minute entry, boom, went in, cashed out. I am up $430 for the day. So yeah, good start to this funded account. I was gonna leave my, like I said, I was gonna leave my stops there for a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, but then I trailed my stop loss and got stopped out by the wick. So it was a 1.16 risk reward ratio trade, but it was free, like risk free, because I basically, I didn't, what's it called? Sorry. I didn't leave my stops down here, but that was the trade. And then we came here and looking for another entry for a continuation model. We created this fair value gap here. Price came here. So then after this move, I went in. I was waiting for this candle to close. So then that candle closed, and then I went in right there. Stops down here, and then targeting, I think it was these highs right here. I got stopped at break even on that one as well. We have the other one here. Yeah. Yep, got in there targeting these. I think it was the top of the 5 minute. Yeah, top of the 5 minute gap, and I got stopped at break even. I had my stops down here. First, I had them here, but then I was like, that's too risky. So then I had them here, only risking $70 because I did 4 micros. And yeah, that was the trade, and then now it's just going down again. Oh, I don't know what that is. So yeah, like I said, you could have shorted here and obviously made a lot of money right now. But that was a trade for today. I am up, 4:30 on the day, and yeah, we only have Friday. We only have tomorrow. It's the last day of the week. I don't know if there's any. Let me see if there's any news. Hold on one second. I don't think there's any news, to be honest. We only have PMI, but that's not 15 minutes until market open. It should make a move, but we can always trade those data highs. So yeah, good trade, good psychology today, really good psychology. And actually, one of the guys I follow, he also took that trade. Oh, not her. He also took the same trade, except he actually held his trade, because since it's my first time actually taking a trade like that, well, things happen. Yeah, you can see here. Oof, if that focuses. Focus. Okay, I'll just pull up a picture on the screen right now. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. I'll see you tomorrow if I do take a trade. So